Video is the most powerful communication tool available today, and capturing high-quality video has never been easier. In almost all cases, the raw video needs to be altered, trimmed, adjusted, or edited, and this is a major roadblock for a lot of people. This course is designed to get you up and running with one of the most popular video editing applications out there. Hi, my name is Dave Bodie for Tuts Plus, and in this course, you will learn the basics of editing in Adobe's Premiere Pro. You will learn how to organize your files outside of Premiere, how to import your assets, and how to set up a project. You will also learn some editing essentials like marking the in and out points on clips, creating subclips, the basics of trimming in a timeline, adding cutaway shots, audio effects and video effects, adjusting the audio of your tracks, adding titles, and exporting your project. By the end of this course, you will have the skills you need to be able to take raw camera footage and turn that into something much more interesting. In the next lesson, you are going to learn about what you need to get started editing in Adobe Premiere Pro.